Hi there, students. Verklempt, or Farklempt as well. Okay, this is an informal American word meaning speechless, overcome with emotion. Yeah, you're so overcome with emotion that you just can't speak. And this is the idea of verklempt. You're choked up, or maybe you're flustered or overwhelmed. So, on receiving the news, he was so verklempt that he just stood there with his mouth open. Okay, so when you discover something that that's really amazing, yeah, that you're just so happy about. Yeah, after the birth of his daughter, he was so verklempt that he just stood there looking at her for hours. Yeah, this is such good news. I'm not surprised that some of us are verklempt. Okay, um, she was totally verklempt when her husband left her. He walked out. Okay, so verklempt, overcome with emotion. Yeah, generally speechless because of emotion. Okay, let's see. As I said, this is an American word. It's an informal word as well. I'd probably give it something like 3.5 informality. And then as to origin, well, it actually comes from German, verklempt, meaning inhibited or hemmed in or squeezed in. And that actually then went from German into Yiddish, verklempt, depressed, distraught, choked up. And effectively choked up, overcome with emotion is now the the meaning that's used. So I hope you are absolutely verklempt about this fantastic video I've made. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Verklempt or Farklempt as well, so you can actually either with a V or with an F.